What if I told you there's a vault of hidden adventures, secret escapes, and tiny revolutions buried inside every weekend? And right now, you're sitting on the key. We've all been there. 2 days stretch out like an open highway, only to vanish in a blur of laundry and takeout boxes. But what if weekends could be different? Turns out, the Adventure Zone was 3 blocks from my apartment. Who knew? Meet the rule breakers, the curiosity chasers, and the weekend alchemists who've cracked the code. Let's dive in. First, break the routine ritual. Your mission? 1 unfamiliar hour. That's all. Saturday breakfast. 2% syrup, 98% existential triumph. Or maybe you're craving mystery. Enter the unplanned train ticket. Grab the next departing train, bus, or ferry. Get off at a stop you've never heard of. Your goal? Find the weirdest landmark. A taxidermy museum? A tree that locals swear sings? Jackpot. Adventure isn't a location. It's a lens. Saturday's challenge, breakfast roulette. My kid picked the ingredients. That's how we discovered gummy bears do work in omelets. But maybe you're hungry for connection. Try the third place quest. Not home, not work. That elusive third spot where magic happens. Hint. Follow the smell of fresh bread at 6 a.m. Or the sound of arguing accordions. Still with me? Good. Because here's the twist. The best weekends aren't about doing more. They're about noticing more. I'm collecting moments, not photos. This jar's got a first ice cream truck of summer, and my neighbor's terrible karaoke. Your weekend's a blank canvas. So steal a page from the Weekend Whisperers, cook a dish from a country you can't find on a map. Host a podcast for an audience of 1. Or simply ask, what's the weirdest thing I can do with what's already here? Weekends don't have to be grand. They just have to be yours. So go on, turn ordinary into extraordinary.